What happened? Why do you look so excited?
Because I have really good news.
Wow, tell me, sis, please.
Do you know what father just told me?
What did he say?
We are going to the travel somewhere on this Diwali.
Wow, where?
He told us to pick a destination, so it is our choice.
That's cool. I have already decided.
Where?
We are going to the sea beach.
No, we are going to the mountains.
But we already traveled to the mountains previous year. Remember Shimla, Manali?
So what? This year we will visit Kashmir. Do you know what is beautiful place is Kashmir is? It is very beautiful place. There are so many tourist spots like Pahalgam, Sonmarg, Gulmarg, Srinagar and especially Dal Lake.
I don't care. I have mountain sickness. I cannot travel by a car or bus there.
So what happened? You have take medicine for that.
But previous year I take medicine but I still feeling sick. I won't go to mountains again.
Take medicine before traveling, nothing would happen.
No, we will go to Goa.
But I want to visit Kashmir. Alright, let me think. If we no go to the Kerala,
Why? What's so special about Kerala?
it is very beautiful place. The backwater of Alleppey is very enjoying place, and the greenery of Kerala is breathtaking, and the many beautiful hill stations like Munnar, and it is very beautiful place. Don't worry, and there are so many beautiful beaches like Varkala Beach, Chandri Beach, and many more.
Wow, how do you know about all of these?
One of my friends visited Kerala on this summer vacation. She told all about it. See, it is very lovely place. Trust me. Let's go there.
Of course, what is the capital of Kerala?
Oh, it is Trivandrum and the big city is Kochi and it is very cool place.
How is the weather of Kerala? I mean, do we have to bring warm clothes with us?
Kerala has a humid and warm climate, but we need some few clothes to travel hilly area.
I think this tour of this year will be quite memorable.
Indeed, the Kerala is known as goats on our country.
Yeah, I heard about this one. For how many days would trip be?
It is approx 7 to 8 days.
Oh, then come on, let's inform father because it will be too late and all tickets are booked.
Yeah, let's go.